Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu. Now from the app here, the first thing we want to do is want to register and make a freshly made new account. So let's go to the U section here. Let's click on sign in/register, register/sign in, and then continue with email. Let me type in my email real quick. And while I do that, I'm going to tell you why we need to make a new account. A promotion within Temu is that when you make a new account, you'll get a couple of free stuff, right? So because of this, when we make a new account, we can basically get new free stuff here, right? You don't need to add a phone number here if you don't like. Now, once here, you can see if I go to play and earn here, for example, and I click on earn credits, you can see that there's some free gifts we can pick, right? So you can see free now. Let's click on pick gifts here. And on pick gifts, you can see if I click on here, we can get a free gift. So we can pick any one of these I'd like. So for example, I want a knife sharpener. Let's pick on this. And then you can see right now it says free, right? So pick this free gift now. And then it'll say nice choice. It costs them $4, but you free, right? So like this. And then you can basically get your free item. You can also pick gift too if you'd like, but you get the point, right? So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.